I grow leafy vegetables in my field, and I have used both ordinary rain pipe and laser spray. When I installed an ordinary rain pipe in 1500 square meter of land, I had to use 5 bundles. In the other 1500 square meter, I installed laser spray. It required only 2 rolls. Still, water falls uniformly across the entire field. From the beginning to the end, water distribution remains uniform and no part of the field remains dry. Laser spray has proved to be a blessing for my family.
In 1500 square meter, 5 rolls of rain pipe were required, but with laser spray, only 2 rolls were sufficient. How do 2 rolls of laser spray equal 5 rolls of an ordinary rain pipe? Why lesser quantity of laser spray is required? We've explained it in this video. Laser spray irrigates much wider area. That is why it is laid at wider spacing. Laser spray irrigates the entire field using fewer lines. Therefore, laser spray is required lesser quantity. For 1 acre, only 600 meter laser spray is needed. The advantages of laser spray don't stop here. It also save on other components. How does this happen? Please, watch this video further to understand. Laser spray can be laid over longer lengths in the field. It delivers water uniformly over a longer distance. Therefore, it requires fewer main and sub-main lines and fittings, as shown in this diagram. Here is a diagram showing a laser spray system and an ordinary rain pipe system for 1 hectare area. You can see that, in the laser spray system, the main line is much shorter. Sub-main line is also shorter. Much lesser number of valve and end caps. Overall, the laser spray system saves on spray pipes, the main line, sub-main line, and fittings.
So farmer brothers, laser spray is really economical. Using laser spray is the wise decision.